So I came to Virginia Tech because of the amazing engineering program. I really liked all the research and the labs that were here, and also all of the opportunities outside of academics. Like, I knew that I wanted my college experience to be a lot more than just classes, so of like the community and the academics and also the campus opportunities here. So when I was in elementary school, probably 8 or 9 years old, I joined a first Lego League team, which is like where you build robots out of Legos. And then later in high school, I was on a First Tech Challenge team, which is kind of like bigger robots, and that was really fun. And then I kind of want to explore that coming into college a little bit more, so I joined the Trek Lab. I designed and built a 3D printed quadruped, and kind of the goal of this is to make a platform for robotics that is much cheaper and open source, because robotics a lot of times is expensive and it's hard to learn. So the goal of this was to create like a platform that anybody could build off of. And so I was involved with this project for about two and a half years. So I got to see everything from like the first mechanical design to the controls and the software and electronics and all of that. My junior year of college, I took a year off and co-opted at Amazon Robotics. I was doing hardware tests for all of their warehouse robotics, so it was really fun. I got to make sure that all of the robots that they're using to deliver your packages are safe and reliable and will last as long as they need them to last. One of the biggest things that I've been involved here with is club volleyball. The club sports program is really amazing, and it's really pushed me to grow as an athlete and as a teammate. Because I used to play outside where you mostly hit, and then middle is like you block a lot and you kind of have to like jump every single play. So the transition was kind of crazy. I was like running in circles around the court and running into my sitter and my other hitters all the time at the beginning, but I figured it out. And another thing that I've been involved here is my campus ministry crew, which has been really amazing. I've met so many of my best friends through there, and it's helped me grow as a leader and as a person. Last summer, I solo traveled to South America, where I took some Spanish immersion classes, and that kind of like piqued my interest again in Spanish, because I hadn't really taken Spanish since high school, and that was a really amazing experience. I got to, learn a lot about different cultures, and it's so much more exciting when you're speaking a language and when you're learning a language and you actually get to speak it with locals and see how it's impactful and being used in real life. After graduation, I'll be working for SpaceX as a hardware reliability engineer for the Starlink program. The best advice I could give would be to say yes to everything, like to say yes to as many opportunities as possible. Like if you had told freshman year me that I would be taking an entire year off of school to go co-op, like I would have said no way, like I'm staying at school. But it was the best year of my life, and I think that just saying yes to things and keeping doors open is really key.